Hello guys, today we will be making crunchy almond cookies. First we will be needing 225 grams of melted butter, 140 grams of sugar, uh, one slightly beaten egg. But now we will be needing half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and then 300 grams of flour, plain flour. And now we want a pinch of salt and blanched chopped almonds. Mix well until they're thoroughly combined. Now we should cover it with cling film and place it in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes. After, after an hour, your batter should be ready. Now you should shape the dough the way you like it and you should place it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Here are our finished cookies. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.